guys, it's Krista. So today is Monday, May 14th. I just got off work and I've been watching a couple of YouTube videos, and recently I've been trying to figure out kind of what I want to do on this channel. I have a really fun video that's going to be posted very soon with my boyfriend, but I honestly don't know. I didn't know what type of content I wanted to be making on a regular basis, but I watched this video by Sorel Amour. I'm going to leave her YouTube channel link down below. She is a photographer and she is a travel influencer, and she has just been grinding and working so hard, and I've just been watching her blow up. Octavius, what do you need? He always needs attention. But I honestly, I've been thinking about what I want to do, and when I look back at all the videos I've made, one of the videos that I am most proud of, and that honestly people have reached out to me to thank me for making more than any other video on my YouTube channel, is the video where I show you how to go out and take pictures of yourself. I posted the original video about a year ago, and then I redid the video recently because I take my photos a different way now. But people have reached out to me about that video more than anything, more than any other content I've ever made. Even like I made like 100 hair videos, and I feel really touched because that is honestly what I'm passionate about, is taking photos, making, just like creating beautiful imagery, and it's something that I've been struggling with personally recently. And my biggest dream is to be able to make these photos and do this full time. Right now I work full-time job. I work like 9 to 5 every day, and I have been slacking so much. So I think what I'm going to do is, one, keep showing you guys how I do certain things, and then two is just sort of vlog, like document my progress, my influencer progress, whatever you want to call it. So I think that is what I'm going to focus on. I'm going to share some ideas with you. I already have some ideas for some videos that I want to do, but I want to start holding myself accountable and responsible and stop making excuses for why I'm not living the life that I want to be living. So that is my goal. So this is the start of the vlog. I'm gonna go and do my makeup real fast because I'm gonna get out here and I'm gonna take some photos. I have an outfit in the dryer right now. I'm trying to get the wrinkles out of it if you hear that noise in the back. And we're gonna get out here and we're gonna take some photos, and we're gonna be dedicated, and we're gonna get on our grind. So let's do it.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
Hey guys, so I have done my makeup, gotten dressed, and now I'm at my first location to shoot. I actually shot here like before, but none of the photos I took I liked, so I'm redoing it in this outfit, and hopefully it turns out well. I have these super cute glasses on. How cute. And there's actually a lady in a car across the street. I don't know what she's doing, but I'm gonna get out and take these photos, and hopefully they turn out well. And then I saw like 2 other locations that I'm gonna go and try to get some photos there as well. So hopefully they turn out well. Cross your fingers. This jumpsuit is actually too big, so I'm gonna have to return it. It still has a tag on it. I have this hair clip that I'm gonna use to clip it in the back because it's like way too large on me. But yeah, so let's go and get some photos.
Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break.
Okay guys, so I am back at home. I have finished taking photos and I am getting ready to just put them on my hard drive. And so I just want to say, like, the number one thing that I get asked is, how do you get the courage to go out and shoot by yourself? And honestly, it's like, if you don't do it, then it's just not gonna get done. So you have to kind of like suck it up and go out there. Like I mentioned earlier, there was like a lady like sitting in her car right across the street. I'm sure she was like looking at me like, what the heck is this girl doing? But you know, you just gotta push that out of your mind. You gotta ignore that, because if you don't get out there and do it, it's not gonna happen. And also, while I was out there, of course, once that lady finally got out of her car and left, some people from inside the building that I was shooting in front of like came outside and were like talking outside pretty much the entire rest of the time that I was out there shooting. And I kind of just wanted to like pack up my stuff and like, okay, I'll go shoot somewhere else. And I was like, oh no, like these photos are actually turning out really good. So you just kind of like gotta suck it up. Like it's difficult. It has become easier since I've been doing it more often, but it is still really difficult to, you know, get that courage to get out there and just be out by yourself doing this. But again, like I said, if you don't get out there and do it, it's not gonna get done. You're not gonna get those photos. You're not gonna be able to do the things, you know, you wanna do if you don't get out there and do it. So you just gotta hype yourself up, get out there, forget about what everybody else is doing, and do what you gotta do to get it done. I'm going to edit these photos and I will show you how I edit in maybe the next video. I'll show you how I edit these photos. But yeah, so I hope you guys are excited to follow along with me on this new YouTube journey that I'm trying to go on. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Make a mistake, I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive